Welcome to all of you. My name is Saurabh Kumar Mondal, Assistant Professor of AEI Department, Haldia Institute of Technology. Today I am going to discuss the second part of the flip-flop, that is conversion of flip-flops. That means from one flip-flop to another flip-flop, how we can convert that today I am going to discuss. So already I discussed that basically the flip-flops which are available that are SR flip-flop, D flip-flop, JK flip-flop, T flip-flop. So whenever we have to convert one flip-flop to another flip-flop, then we have to know some tables. That means the excitation table and the characteristics table of that particular flip-flop. So I am starting to convert from one flip-flop to another flip-flop. First, I am going to convert SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. So, now whenever I have to convert SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop, then what we have to do? We have to write down the characteristics table of JK flip-flop and excitation table of SR flip-flop. So I am writing the characteristics table of JK flip-flop. Now here J and K is the input, Qn is the present output and Qn plus 1 which is the next output. So whenever J and K both are 0 and Qn, that means present output is 0, then the next output will also unchanged, that is 0. Now for that case of 0 0 same, it is no change, so it is 1. 0 1, it will be depend on the J value, so 0. 0 1 0. 1 0, it is depend on the J value 1. 1 0, so 1. 1 1, that means it will be opposite value of present output, so present output 0, so it will be 1. Now 1 1, it is 1, so opposite value of present output, that is 0. Now based on this Qn and Qn plus 1, we have to write the excitation input of SR flip-flop. Now 0 and 0, in which case the present output is 0 and the next output will be 0, when the S and R value both will be 0 0 and 0 1. So 0 0 and 0 1, that means S will be 0, R will be don't care, because the value of R will be either 0 or 1. Now for the case of 1 1, when it will be 1 1, when the SR value will be 0 0 or 1 0. So 0 0 and 1 0, that means it is don't care, it is 0. For that case of again 0 0, that means 0 don't care. 1 0, in which case it will be 1 0 when the present output is 1 and the next output will be 0, in which case it will be, for that case of SR, it will be when S value will be 1 and R value will be 0. For that case of 0 1, that means S value will be sorry, for that case of 1 0, that means next output will be 0. So on that particular case it is 0, it is, so it will be, for that case of next output will be 0, that means S value will be 0, R value will be 1, and for that case of next value will be 1, that means for that case it is 1, it is 0. For that case of 1 1, that means unchanged, so don't care and 0. For that case of 0 1 0 1, that means here same thing, 1 0 and 1 0, it is 1. One zero one 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 zero one one one. For that case of 1 0, again it is 0 1. So this is the excitation input of SR. Now based on this table, we have to now simplify the value of S and R with the help of J, K and Qn. So now for that case it is, just consider first S. I am using K-map. So now for that case it is 0 don't care 0 0, so 0 don't care 0 0, 1 don't care 1 0, 1 don't care 1 0. So here how we can simplify it? We can only making a pair, and the value of that pair will be S equals to here 0 0 1 0, so ultimately it will be J Qn bar, J Qn bar. So it is coming S equals to J Qn bar. So S equals to J Qn bar. Now R. J K Q N 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. Don't care 0, don't care 1, don't care 0, don't care 1, 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 1. So we can make this pairing. Now R value will be K Q A, K Q A. So R will be K Q A. Now we have to draw the circuit. So it is S, it is R, Qn and Qn bar. So S J Qn bar. So R equals to KQN. This is clock. So this is the circuit conversion from SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. So if we have SR flip-flop, we can convert that SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop with the help of this conversion process. Now another example, that is SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. So we have to design D flip-flop from SR flip-flop. So same procedure. First we have to write down the characteristics table of D flip-flop and excitation input of S and R. So D Qn plus 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now whenever the input is 0, then the next output will be 0 after giving trigger. So 0 0 1 1. So the next output will be depend on the value of D, that we know. So this is the characteristics table of D flip-flop. Now what will be the excitation input of S and R? 0 0. So present input is 0, next present output is 0, next output is 0, in which case that means it is either 0 0 or 0 1. That means 0 don't care. 1 0, in which case that means next output is 0. When S equals to 0, R equals to 1. 0 1, that means 1 0. And for that case of 1 1, that means it is either 0 0 or 1 0. So for that case, don't care, 0. Now simplify S and R value. S we have to take the input and the present output for simplifying the excitation input. 0 1 0 1. Now for that case of S, 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. 0 0 1 don't care. Sorry, it will be don't care. 0 0 1, don't care. So after making group, we can make only one pairing group, and the output will be S equals to Qn 0 and 1, it will be eliminated, only S equals to D. What will happen for the case of R? Don't care 1 0 0. Don't care 1 0 0. So we can make this pairing, and the result will be R equals to, so this D bar. So S equals to D and R equals to D bar. So what will be the circuit? It is SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. That means it is S, it is R, it is Qn, it is Qn bar. This is clock. So S equals to D. It is D. And R equals to D bar. So it is D bar. Now this is the conversion circuit from SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. So if we have one SR flip-flop, we can convert that SR flip-flop to D flip-flop with the help of this conversion process. Now another example, which is JK flip-flop to T flip-flop, which is also very important conversion. JK flip-flop to T flip-flop. So we have to design T flip-flop from JK flip-flop. So we have to write the characteristics table of T flip-flop and excitation input of JK. Zero zero, that means T equals to 0, so Qn 0, so that will be unchanged, so 0. T equals to 0, unchanged 1. T equals to 1, that means it will be opposite, so 0, that means 1. T equals to 1, opposite 0. What will be the value of J and K according to excitation table? No. 0 0, when it will be 0 0, either J and K both are 0 or J 0 K 1, that means 0 don't care, 1 1, in which case either both are 0 or J equals to 1, K equals to 0, that means don't care 0. 0, 1. In which case it will be 0 to 1. That is, for that case of when J and K both will be 1, output will be opposite. Or for that case when it will be J equals to 1, K equals to 0. So J equals to 1, K equals to 0. That means K either be 0 or be 1. So K don't care. 1, 0, in which case when J and K both are 1, or for that case J equals to 0, K equals to 1. That means don't care 1. So this is the excitation input of J and K for that case of the characteristics table of T flip-flop. Now simplify J and K. Zero don't care, 1 don't care. 0 don't care, 1 don't care. So J will be it will be 0. I am drawing the K map again. T Q N 0 1 0 1. So 0 don't care, 1 don't care. It is for J. So J will be 0 1 will be eliminated, T. So for that case of K, T Q N 0 1 0 1. Don't care 0, don't care 1. So here also this pairing and K will be T. That means both J and K value will be T. So what will be the final circuit? It is JK flip-flop to T flip-flop. That means it is J K Q N bar. This is clock. J equals to T, K equals to T. That means it is T and same thing same value will be K. That means J and K both value is T. So that means J and K are nothing but the short circuit. Now with this process we can convert T flip-flop from JK flip-flop, and we know that one, when J and K both are shorted, then we can design the T flip-flop. Now this is the process by which we can convert T flip-flop from JK flip-flop. So what exactly the procedure for conversion? Whenever we have to convert one flip-flop from another flip-flop, which flip-flop we have to be convert? That flip-flop characteristics table we have to be right, and from which flip-flop we are converting, that flip-flop excitation input we have to be right, and we have to simplify that excitation input value with the help of which flip-flop we have to design that input and the present output, and after simplification easily we can convert it that flip-flop from another flip-flop. So this is the process for conversion of flip-flops. That means in between any flip-flop to another flip-flop we can easily convert according to our requirement. If we have one flip-flop, we can easily convert another flip-flop with the help of this process. I think we can understand little bit idea regarding that particular conversion process. Further, in next session I am going to discuss another part of that particular flip-flop, which is nothing but the race around condition problem, and to solve that race around condition problem, what are the process we are following, that topic. Thank you very much.